When I pray, I make sure to always thank God for you. You entered my life, and it's been amazing ever since. These past 5 years have felt longer. I feel like I've known you forever. The time that we spent together is countless. You are everything. My reasons for loving you are endless, and they continue to grow every day. With you, music sounds better. It has meaning. Food tastes better. Colors even look brighter. It's your aura. That's what you do. You make my life feel like hard times don't exist.
I take you to be my best friend, my person, my love. I promise to you to walk with this life beside you. I promise to never stop trying. I promise to love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
Zintle mntanam, ndiyakuvuyela kule ndawo ungena kuyo, kule field ungena kuyo. Ndikuthembile, ndiyakwazi uba ungena kule nto ngokuzithemba ngikuthanda. Ndikuwishela all the good luck mntanam, yonke into ihambe ngolo hlobo ukhula ngalo. Uhlale usweet unjalo, ungajikwa yinto. So uyintombi endala ke ungumama uqala namhlanje. I respect you.
Marriage is given by God. It is a gift from God. It is not to be entered upon or thought of lightly or selfishly, but responsibly and in the love of God. According to the teachings of Christ, marriage is the lifelong union in body, in mind, and spirit of one man and one woman. Ngoku ke uPatrick noZintle sebechatile. You are now husband and wife. Therefore, Patrick, ki kupa huri ke umsune nkosikazi wakho. You may kiss the bride. Anyane hayi hawulu.
So thank you so much for loving her. These past 5 years has been great to watch. Because I initially remember those but enkosi for persevering through that and being here today. And I wish you love and a prosperous future together. Thank you.
And when you love someone, you are declaring to them that you will not judge them, that you will not label them, that you will not condemn them. When you love someone, you make a commitment to love forever.
You're the person I've been waiting for my whole life. And I'm so proud to be standing up here in front of God, our friends and family, to make sure they know just how lucky I am to have found you and just how much I love you. I promise to never forget that this is a once-in-a-lifetime type of love, and to always know in the deepest part of my soul that no matter what challenges might drive us apart, we will always find our way back to each other. Here and now, I pledge my life to yours, that your dreams become my dreams. No matter where life leads me, I know that as long as you're with me, that's where I'm meant to be. Today is the beginning of a lifetime. May our days be seasoned with faith, love, understanding, and respect. I choose to spend today and all of my tomorrows with you. Thank you for the past 5 years, and here's to a lifetime together.